Release action. The establishment of the neighborhood watch is a masterstroke in this dual strategy. Firstly, it makes us safer. We are professionalizing our community security approaches to decisively confront the security challenges threatening our borderlands. Secondly, it provides dignity and purpose. With the graduation of over 2,000 of you today, we have formally taken over 2,000 young men and women off the streets and placed them onto the front lines of civil service. You are not just securing your communities, you are building a career, earning a livelihood, and becoming role models for the next generation by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
We are here today. Insecurity does not respect state boundaries. Bandits, kidnappers, and traffickers operate across our shared landscape with little regard for administrative lines. Therefore, our security strategies must be equally interconnected. Kano initiative presents a powerful opportunity for greater coordination, standardization, and joint operation across our states. I propose that we the governors of the Northwest will establish a regional framework for community security, including harmonized training curricula, shared intelligence platform, cross-border patrol protocols, and joint recognition and welfare system for our brave community dependents.
The people of Kano are saying we have one emir. And all those who contributed in one way or another in bringing the fake one into Kano, I advise them to go and check their brain. Maybe something is wrong with them. Because I have to remind them at this point that in 2019, all the emirs in Kano, the 5 of them, were appointed by the disgraced APC government, and we won the election. 2023, all of them, APC, we won the election in Kano. Now they caged one in the graveyard in Nasarawa, believing that they will bring all the votes to them. What a mistake. Let me advise our respected CP, who I understand is here, to withdraw all those vehicles, all those police officers, all the security agencies to go and fight security for the state. I think that will help us better.